There are only 2 weeks left in this school year, and I've never been one to be in a hurry for time to pass. I've always been one who wanted to enjoy time where it is, and I feel that way even now. But I know we're tired. We're all exhausted. We've given it our all, and it feels like there's not much left to give. You know, my friend Shirley, I've shared this before, that she doesn't call summertime summer vacation time for teachers. She calls it recovery. And she's right. This is going to be a time very soon where we need to recover. So we'll be ready to face the challenges of the new school year. And as I look around our world, I see so much that is wrong, and it can be daunting. Without realizing the results that I would get, I asked my students 2 weeks ago to write on a Post-it if they could have one wish. And that didn't mean, their wish couldn't be a bunch of unlimited wishes. It had to be one certain specific wish. Without any preamble, just tell me, if you could have one wish in this world, what would it be? And I really didn't know what to expect, but what I got, I didn't expect. And so I want to share it with you because I think that this can give us some courage. For sin to leave. I wish for all the books that interest me. I want my grandpa back with full health, my cat to be alive and well, and a kitten. Health restored to everyone. I wish for my dad to get better so he can play soccer and football with me. Her dad is suffering from recovering from a very serious battle with COVID. If I had one wish, it would be that my grandma and grandpa would be alive, if not forever, at least enough to say a proper goodbye to them. For no mosquitoes of any type or bugs that bite. Besides, mosquitoes have no purpose whatsoever. All they do is spread diseases and make you itch all over. I wish my dad was not allergic to cats so I could have a cat. I wish no death. To get good grades for college. To stay in 4th grade because I love Mrs. Matsuda in hands-on math. And I got another one similar to that. To stay at Mrs. Matsuda's classroom. For everyone in the world to be kind. For my dad to not have to go away for 3 months again. If I had one wish, it would be for my grandparents, my grandma and my grandpa to be alive so I could at least have one more day with them. Have my dog and cat back forever, if not just say I love them dearly. I want everybody got Jesus. That's my new ELL student. My cat baby to come back to me. To be super smart and use that smarts to cure all sickness. I want to be able to help everyone for every problem that comes against them. World peace. Talk to God. And this one actually made me cry. For my mom and dad to be a family. And just so that you know that my class is normal, they're normal kids, I also had to be super rich and own 100 acres, to win the Super Bowl with my football team, infinite money, infinite life, and the Force. But with all that is going on in our world, and I look at our young people, and I bet you do too, and I think, how are they going to survive with all the influences, the social media, the things that you and I didn't have to navigate, that they have to navigate at such a young age? How are they going to survive? But these Post-its tell a story that they know what is good, they know what is true, and I think that they are going to be okay. And just maybe this generation might get it better than even we did and previous generations. We only have, this is our second to the last video in this school year. We'll do one more video next week, and then we'll be on break for summer vacation. My girls got me set up on Instagram. I've only posted 2 pictures. I still haven't even figured out what you're supposed to post on Instagram. It's just my name, my first and last name. But if you want to keep in touch during the summer, that's definitely one way that we can do that until we're together again in August. But as we close this year, as we close a very challenging year, let us be encouraged by the young people that we teach.